There may be nothing more satisfying than giving people the opportunity to work. That is the mission of the Empac Group, and helping them achieve this noble cause is a long-standing relationship with Texwrap. Since 1967, the Empac Group has provided custom manufacturing, assembly, and packaging solutions to its partners in Missouri and throughout the country. However, the quality work is not the only attribute to be proud of. The company is considered a sheltered workshop, meaning the Empac Group operates as a supervised workplace for adults who have a physical or intellectual disability. It employs several hundred people at its Sullivan and Washington, Missouri facilities. Through making employment available to people with varying abilities, the Empac Group has impacted countless lives while building efficient, effective packaging and assembly lines.
It's a very rewarding job for everyone here, everyone from our staff, our employees. You'll see a smile on everyone's face every day. The satisfaction of learning a new job that you didn't think you could do is second to none. It really is rewarding.
As the company continued to grow, the team looked to automate its packaging operations to increase efficiencies. They didn't have to look far. Only a mile down the road from its Washington facility is Texwrap, a manufacturer of fully automatic packaging systems for shrink wrapping, shrink bundling, and e-commerce applications. The Empac Group bought its first Texwrap machine, a side-seal horizontal wrapper, in 2005 from St. Louis-based distributor Packaging Systems. In the years that followed, the company purchased additional Texwrap machines, including 2 BVS Series 914 continuous motion high-speed vertical seal wrappers that have proven to be a great solution for Empac.
Their application was for aerosol cans primarily, and it's a product that is run best standing up, and Texwrap is the only or one of the few manufacturers that produces a machine for this industry, and they produce a great machine that's been a great fit for Empac.
For this application, air fresheners are loaded onto a conveyor and shrink wrapped together in packs of 2. After jaws cut the film, twin bottles pass through a heat tunnel. Scratch and sniff stickers are applied and packaged for shipping. The BVS Series 914 is an ideal option for the Empac Group because it gives them the flexibility to run different SKUs and quantities to fulfill diverse customer orders. Reaching speeds up to 70 packs per minute, the BVS 914 can run a wide range of products with a maximum size of 9 inches wide by 14 inches high, making it ideal for contract packagers, where the products are often manually loaded to form multi-packs of an item. The 5 shrink wrapping machines operate about 7 hours a day, 5 days a week. This partnership with Texwrap continues to lay the foundation to help the Empac Group employ, empower, and excel for years to come.
By partnering with Texwrap, we were able to realize that automation is a very positive thing. It doesn't take away from jobs. And Texwrap has helped us educate us on the machines that are out there, the capabilities that we have, so we can make good business decisions when it comes to purchasing equipment.